minions, I'm back. I'm making this second video because the first one was sort of an intro, so I'm not really counting that, but there's not really anyone out there but Idali Hernandez. Hola Idali. I know you think my Spanish sounds weird, but still, shout out to Italy Hernandez. She has a youtube.com Italy Hernandez. Subscribe to her channel or whatever. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be doing a slime tutorial. The things you will need is a big bowl, half a cup, measuring cup, half a cup, 1/8 cup, detergent. I'm going to be doing the detergent slime. There's many other slimes, but this one's like specifically my favorite one. It's very fluffy. There's also like other ones, but I'll do those later. Another time, maybe. And shaving cream. And the last thing, oh, not the last thing, mixing tool. Now the last thing, a gallon of glue. So that's easy enough, right? You don't actually need a gallon of glue, just like, I like gallons. This is my baby. Once I'm an adult, and I get a real baby, it's gonna be hard to choose which one I'm gonna want. It's fresh out of the container. I still haven't opened it, so. Oh, did I open this already? Usually there's like a little seal. I guess not. Oh wait. Okay, so you're gonna need the half a cup. You're gonna pour it in here. Oh, you can't see a thing. Wow, that really took energy out of me. You can either eyeball it. That's what I usually do. But since this is a tutorial, you want every single step. The glue is dirty. You're gonna want to pour it in here. Oh, stupid thing. Not you. Just like. Okay. Just pour it in there. Okay. Your glue. A very low technology. Don't judge. And then you're gonna put your shaving cream. You're gonna want to put like almost through, but not like all the way. Like not all the way to the top, but like good enough. You can get like any shaving cream. I like the gel one, just because how cool it looks after when you mix it. When you mix it. Okay, then you're gonna need your mixing tool. I know you can't see anything right now, but it looks good. Here, let me just get it. So this is how it looks right now. Here, give me a minute. This is how it looks right now. Oh man, I didn't think this through. I think I might have an idea. Okay, face it to me. No, ugly. Okay, sorry about that. I had to hold on my little thingy that I got the other day. So this is how it's looking right now. It's looking very foamy and stretchy. You're just gonna want to fold it right now. You don't want to mix it, you want to fold it just for right now. It's like sort of already turning like into fluffy slime, and I think it's like out very well. Reminder, we still haven't put the activator in. The detergent is the key to it. And remember, this is fluffy, stretchy slime. Maybe, I don't know when. I have so many plans. But I'll be also not only doing slime, but I'll be doing other DIYs too. Um, on May 28th, I'm going to be making a unicorn cake. I saw so many videos and I hope I can just make it. Oh boy. Okay, so there you go. I'm mixing and mixing. I just want to stir it up really well. Okay. And then you're gonna want to fold. Okay. Okay, the next thing you need is open your detergent. You can also get this at the dollar store. I did because I'm cheap. You're gonna want this. You're gonna want to overfold it just like maybe up to here. Oh, you can't see that. Dang it. You don't want to overfold it like I did with the glue. So first you're gonna want just to put a lid. My estimations were way off. Okay, since I poured it, look at that. It's already turning into slime. Oh, don't worry. You're gonna be, I'm gonna be, you're gonna be kneading it. Kneading it, like fixing it. Kneading it. Oh, look at all that. And this is a very good step. Oh, uh-oh. Wait, okay. You're gonna need to knead it. I suggest this step. It's gonna take a while. It's kind of sticky, but I like sticky. If you don't like sticky, I don't know what to say for you. But I really do like sticky. Oh boy, did I say stretchy slime? Stretchy slime will be in another time. This is not stretchy slime. This is just regular fluffy slime. Like, not like, how do you say this? This is like fluffy slime, like it feels like a fluffy cloud. It's not stretchy, it's just very light. But don't worry, we're gonna be fixing that. I'm not sure if I want to. It's so good and fluffy. Feels like a cloud. This is not cloud slime. I can't. Maybe another time I'll be making cloud slime. And this is just fluffy slime. It feels just so light. I love this slime and I totally suggest it if you want to make a big mess. I did not do that on purpose. Okay. It's just so good. So jiggly. Not jiggly. It's not jiggly slime. I just love slime. And let's see, it just came out so well. If you want, you could add color to it. You can buy food coloring or just paint. Reminder, paint will smell like kind of weird and might give you a headache. That's what all my friends told me when I was telling them. They did not like my slime very much. I'm just gonna wanna mix it, get everything from the corners. Sweet, sweet corners. You don't wanna miss a single thing. Okay. But I think the slime came out very good. It's not very stretchy though, but I do suggest this. It did come out as slime. It's not sticky, because after you knead it, it's actually kind of really good. Like a good feeling. Like, you'll be able to do so many other tricks with it. You can't put pokers into it though. Not like that, but I know other ways. It smells so good. No, it actually doesn't. It smells like glue. That's not how usually mine come out. But okay. And this is just so good, so stretchy, and I love this. Dang it! Why does my phone hate me right now? Like, it literally does. Okay, anyway, my time's about to run out, so thank you for watching this video today. I think it was only Italy, and thank you for my #1 supporter, Italy Hernandez. So shout out to Italy to go on her channel if I get any subscribers. I totally do think I can be a big YouTuber one day. I hope, I pray, I cross my fingers. But that's all the time we have today. So thank you for watching my video, and I really hope you guys test out this video, this slime recipe, and I really hope you guys did like it today. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye, all my little DIYs. Wait, no, I said it wrong. Bye, all my DIY minions.